Hello everyone, myself Sabri and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand few things about the new function which is confirm. We being a Power Platform developer, to enable a pop-up at the time of deletion or any confirmation that we need from the user, we might be creating that manually by combining two or three components. So the addition of this new confirm function, which will make us easy to have that pop-up available in the Power Apps. So this confirm function was previously made available in model driven apps and now it's made available in Canvas as well. Before starting using this function, we need to make sure two options are enabled in the settings. So just let me walk you through that. Go to the three dots, select settings, and in the updates, make sure you go and check if your modern controls and theme is enabled. So let me enable it. And in the support, you need to make sure go and check if your authoring version is the latest, which is 3.26022.5. Select these both, click reload and apply this version. So it's asking, would you like to save the changes? Yes, I would like to save. So now let's wait for the app to get reloaded. Now since the app is reloaded, we go back to the settings and make sure both the options are enabled. Modern controls and themes is enabled, and in the support, yes, we could see the latest version. Now let's start customizing and creating that confirm pop-up. So I would like to add a simple button, and in the button we will start writing the required code. So the syntax is very straightforward and simple. So it is confirm of the first, it requires a message. What is the message that we want to type? I'm just saying, are you okay? And the next one is an optional field. These are certain records that we can pass to customize this pop-up, which we will see later. So now I will just make this message and let me close the bracket. I can hold on the Alt and let me click the button. Now you can see that a pop-up automatically comes up in front of your screen, and it has two options, either confirm or cancel. Here if you see, the app is completely frozen and the user have the option only to either select confirm or cancel. So whenever someone clicks this confirm button, the result will be true, and whenever someone clicks cancel, the result will be false. So let me click on confirm. With this true or false based results, we will be able to use this confirm function in an if condition. Whenever you want to delete a record inside a gallery, simply you can use a confirm function within if, and if somebody confirms, then you can delete the record. As I said, there are some optional parameters that we can enable in the confirm function. So let me go here, change the message. Do you want to delete this record? So this is the message I would primarily like to show. And the optional records, I will just open and close a curly bracket. This is the format where we will be entering the record. So there are four different parameters that you can pass in this field. So the first is title. I will call it as delete confirmation. The next record we can as subtitle. I will say once deleted, this cannot be undone. There are other two options which you can use. First one is confirm button. With this, you can define the name of the button. So how you want the confirm button to be displayed, I would like to call it as delete. And similarly, you have an option for cancel. So let's say cancel button, and I would like to call this as cancel. Let me do a format text. Still we could see some errors, so let me go and check what those errors are. It says invalid option subtitle. Oh my bad, the title here, it should be a lowercase. So you need to make sure all these components, whatever you specify inside the record, are case sensitive. So now if you run the app and if you click this button, you will be able to see the title of the button, which is delete confirmation. And this is the subtitle, whatever we have added there. Once deleted, this cannot be undone. And this is the message, whatever you have passed. And previously, if you remember, this button was renamed as confirm. And with this additional command, we have marked it as delete. And we have a cancel button. So one thing what we need to keep in mind is that this confirm pop-up is a pre-built pop-up available in the Canvas apps, and hence we do not have much options for customizations. For instance, what I would like to call it out is if you want to add a third button inside this pop-up, that's currently not possible. By this, we come to end of this video. So in this video, we understood how to use a confirm function to replace the legacy pop-ups whatever the developers were creating in the Power Apps. If you have any question, please post it in the comment section and we will be happy to help.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for our new video alerts.